Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Introduction to Trigonometry. Hello friends, may I request you to please click on the subscribe button below this video.
The given question is evaluate sine 25 degree into cos 65 degree plus cos 25 degree into sine 65 degree. Guys, again this is one of the easiest evaluation that we are going to do, or easiest question that we are going to attend. So let's see how we are moving ahead and how we are evaluating these things. Now the given question is sine 25 degree into cos 65 degree. Sine 25 degree into cos 65 degree plus cos 25 degree into sine 65 degree. So guys, here the main logic that we are going to use, if you see here, this 25 degree and this 65 degree, if we add, we are getting 90 degree. Similarly 25 degree here and 65 degree here, if we add, we are also getting 90 degree. So let us let us make our intention such a way that here we have sine 25 degree. So let us convert this cos 65 degree to 25 degree, sine 25 degree, so that we will get here sine square theta. Similarly, let us convert this cos 25 degree and this sine 65 degree to this cos 25 and this sine 65 degree to cos 65 degree. So that will again become cos square theta. So that means sine square theta plus cos square theta, ultimately we will get our result as 1. That is what we are going to do. Now guys, let's see how we are moving ahead and how we are processing this particular type of evaluations. So guys, I will take the help of the identity sine square theta plus cos square theta. I will take this particular identity's help and I will solve this one. And besides, I will also be using the identity like sine theta is equal to cos 90 degree minus theta, as well as cos theta is equal to sine 90 degree minus theta. So I will take the help of these three things and I will solve the given solution or the given problem. Now here it is sine 25 degree. So I will write, or I will keep that one as it is, sine 25 degree. I will not do anything, I will keep it untouched. And cos 65 degree, I can write cos 90 degree minus 25 degree. So if I write 90 minus 25 degree, that is nothing wrong, same 65 degree, it is cos 65 degree. Similarly cos 25 degree, what I will do, I will keep this cos 25 degree as it is, and this sine 65 degree I will write sine 90 degree minus 25 degree, because 90 minus 25 is 65, that is 1, or that is equal to sine 25 degree. Guys, what we know that sine theta is equal to cos 90 degree minus theta. So cos 90 degree minus 25 degree is nothing but sine 25 degree plus, here we have cos 25 degree, here we have cos 25 degree into, we know that sine theta is equal to cos, we know that cos theta is equal to sine 90 degree minus theta from here. So that is what I will write, cos 25 degree, or that is equal to sine square 25 degree plus cos square 25 degree. Guys, I told that I will take the help of this one, sine square theta plus cos square theta, that is equal to 1. So here the theta value is 25 degree. So I can easily write this equation as that is equal to 1, because sine square theta in sine square 25 degree plus cos square 25 degree is nothing but 1. So that is our answer. So so after evaluating this thing, we got our answer as 1. Hope guys you understood this calculation or this process, this way that I moved ahead. This is very easy. Just we need to keep in mind what we are going to do and how we are going to solve. Once we keep a focus of this, then definitely we will solve this easily, quickly, without any difficulty. But guys, if you still have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe.
If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.